Here we are again, looking at our bird aviary. This is our private aviary. We're working right now. There's a lot of maintenance going on. That's our water fountain. We're gonna redo the whole inside this weekend. And we just lost our guinea hen. She normally spends time here on herself. She's loose, free to roam wherever she wants, but we haven't seen her all day, which that's not normal. Here are our Australian budgies. There's a whole bunch of them. Very panicky. But they love to sing and knead and bathe and other good stuff. Okay. Just watch your step here. It's a little walking thing. This is going to be our water fountain with some, hopefully some koi fish. We have some steps going up here too. There's our ugly little chickens. I think it's falling apart, so we need to work on it. They're angry at me because I haven't fixed their house. Here again are our little Jabbas. They're not very happy because their babies or not, their eggs did not hatch. So they're not very happy. This is Mama right here. And Papa over here. Okay, we'll continue our little tour. We have lots and lots and lots of peaches, nectarines, plums. Here's another one of our cages. Here we have our beautiful Eastern Rosella. Where is she? She's a bit nervous. She likes to fly all over. Let's see if I can catch. Sure, there we go. And here we have our other buddy, Bluey. He loves to fly. Right, Bluey? You love to fly. We're still working on our project, as you see. There's a lot of stuff going on this summer. And here's our little Rosella. Again, she's beautiful. I don't know if you can notice the colors from here. Of what she likes to eat. Lettuce, tomatoes, onions. Then take you to see other parts where we're working on the other end, or our aviary. Hopefully it'll all be done by this summer. Fruit trees everywhere. The walkway here. There's a little sitting area. Another nest over there. And there behind it is the frame for our cage number 13, where a Lady Amherst pheasant is going to be living. Here we have our black-head yellow African weavers. Beautiful birds. Let's see if we can see them up close. Ouch. That paint's wet. Here's my construction area. Here's my little friends. They never stay still, so it's hard to take a picture of them. Oh, that's my rooster on the other end singing. There's the house way back there. Or other words, wayfront here. And our path continues this way. Let's be careful because there's no insurance coverage. Here we're working on this other cage for our society finches. And we just finished this path. Long ago. Here's steps. It's going to go down. And here, that first cage that we saw, that's where she's going to get, right over here in this spot. The Lady Amherst pheasant. And here another steps. I bumped my head with that pointy thing there, so it's careful. And here is where we're going to place the cage for my Crimson Rosella. Crimson Rosella goes here. And that's halfway of our tour. Then we have the Finges area, El Camino El Faisan. We still have another project going up here, but that's going to be maybe for the summer, next summer. Right now we're too busy working as it is. And there's the weavers again. Let's see if I can catch them without making them move so much. There we go. So you see, we got a lot of work. We enjoy it though. We enjoy it. More steps. Little wabbit. Where is he? He's in the shade. There you go. It's a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of little wabbits. Before and after. They got these two columns here to the entrance. It's one of the entrances actually to the aviary. Putting rocks all over the place. The sitting area again. And we got some furniture there for. I always pile it up. We're not using it, so it won't get messed up because of the sun and rain. Still working on them. Here we've been before. We have a little fisher lovers. We lost one of our cockatiels. We need to get another one. Cockatiel. Right? My little cockatiel. We'll get our partner here pretty soon. Here this is where the one of the pheasants, ringneck pheasants, gonna be. Still working on those two columns way at the end. This is the cage for my ringneck pheasant. Continue working this summer. Try to finish as much as possible. before the monsoon gets here. Here, where it ends, the wilderness begins that way. I still think what could have happened to my poor guinea hen. Hope she's okay. It's part of the house up there. A couple of statues in the pool area. Cage with the cockatiel. Again. Cage with my beautiful little lovebirds. Whee! There's another cage in construction. And here we have our, you've met these before, our little zebras. There's 30 of them now. Look at this. Okay, I'll leave you guys alone. It's time to go get dressed to go to work.